Your traffic is up, your ads are running, but your revenue is flat, and your conversion rate has been quietly falling for months. Every store has data: traffic, sales, products, carts, reports, but most merchants still don't know what is really holding conversion back. A store can look good and still lose sales. The real problem is often hidden inside product performance, customer behavior, and conversion patterns. Xanavo gives your store a single conversion health score. It reads your Shopify data, identifies exactly what is hurting your conversion, and ranks every issue by the revenue impact it's costing you. Not more data, a clear diagnosis. Connect your store in 5 minutes. No code changes, no theme edits, nothing installed on your storefront. Xanavo runs in the background and surfaces a prioritized action list so you always know what to fix next. Stop guessing. Run a free conversion scan today and see exactly what's holding your store back.